Damn, you're a mess. You sure you're still alive? Use the auto injector. It's good stuff. Get you back on your feet.
I got 2 words for you. Get out of my face right now.
That's what I'm talking about. Good as new.
Looks like your weapon took a beating as well. Let's find if it works okay. Try hitting those barrels over there. Yeah, everything seems to be working fine. Make sure you pick up any extra ammo you find in crates or on fallen enemies. We can use all we can get our hands on.
You know, you can shoot grenades too. Try blowing a hole in that house. It's fun. Yeah! No need using the door. Just make your own.
This vehicle's busted. Marlo, grab a power tool.
उधर मैंने